This is in front of the beauty salon. Edward Scissorhands didn't make an appearance this year. Back at the world famous Muller's Bakery. That's it. It is not to be. Just a few days ago, I was rocking out in that by the clock there with J-Pat, and we got a lot of good vibes and feedback. It was good to hunt, folks. It was a good time. Folks, this is what happens to you when you don't pay for the items you order. You end up like this guy. Look at this. Terrible, folks. Remember, crime doesn't pay. The restaurant is almost done. Look at that. It's gonna open any minute now. Any minute. Or any day, I should say. Wow. Oh yeah. Any day. We will see the opening, the debut of Charlie's of Bayhead. Any day. October 18th, and people on the beach. Yes, honest to God, it's seriously October 18th, folks. Look at this. People on the beach like it's middle of the summer. Except there's no dogs allowed on the beach in the summer. And there's no surfers in the water. I am surprised. No surfers in the water. There's someone fishing. Or he's just hanging out. No, he's just hanging out. Contemplating. little bit. Ooh, let's see if he's gonna go for it. Does appear. I'm in the mood for lobster mac and cheese. Where can I go for such a meal? This is the best place to go for anything seafood related. So there it is, folks. Lobster mac and cheese and a regular Coke. So mac and cheese with bits of lobster in it. Like, let's see if I can get a piece. Yeah, right there, folks. Right there. See it? Ooh, ooh. Delicious. I had this for my birthday and loved it. Loved it. Let me tell you, folks. Loved it. Alright, guys. This is Trish signing off. Saying peace. Wait, peace, love, and keep the good tunes spinning. Take care.